If you like this video, please subscribe my channel English Study with Sopan Hun and press the bell icon for upcoming updates. Hello friends, today we are going to see new poem The Twins written by Henry Sambrook Leigh. Henry Leigh was very famous poet and playwright. He was 19th century poet. This poem, The Twins, is very humorous and interesting poem about the twins. The twin means two babies have the same mother and were born on the same day. So, are you ready? Let's start the poem. In form and feature, face and limb, I grew so like my brother that folks got taking me for him and each for one another. Here, two new words, form and feature, means structure and appearance by his rachna, and taking means mistaking, चुका होने. So, the poet Henry is the narrator here and he expresses his experience. The poet had a twin brother named John. They look same, and because of their similarities, people has a confusion about them. They don't recognize them. It puzzled all our kith and kin, and it reached a fearful pitch. For one of us was born a twin, yet not a soul knew which. Here two new words, kith and kin means relatives, natevaik, and pitch means limit, height, vishishta maryada. So because of their similarity, all their relatives had a great confusion. They don't recognize them. Who is John and who is Henry? And it's go beyond limit. And why? Because one of them was born a twin. But nobody knows who was twin. दोघेपैकी एक तर जुळा आहे. कोण जुळा हे सांगू शकत नाही. आणि दोघंही अत्यंत सारखे दिसतात. त्यामुळे सर्व नातेवाईकांचाही गोंधळ होतो आणि सर्वजण गोंधळात पडलेले आहे. One day, to make the matter worse, before our names were fixed, as we were being washed by nurse, we got completely mixed. The poet describes the confusing situation here. The situation became very critical when they were being washed by nurse. The twins got completely mixed before their names were fixed. And thus you see, by fate's decree, or rather nurse's whim, my brother John got christened me and I got christened him. Here new words, decree means order, daiva, whim means a sudden change of mind, lahar, and christen means name given to a baby at the naming ceremony, म्हणजेच नामकरण समारंभ. The situation become confusing. The situation become critical. It's happened because of the nurse or their luck. Due to this confusion, Henry got his brother's name and his brother John got the poet's name. त्या नर्सच्या लहरीपणामुळं किंवा दैवामुळे म्हणूया, दोघांचेही नाव बदलले गेले. थोडक्यात एके दिवशी त्यांची नावं ठेवण्याच्या वेळेस गोंधळाची परिस्थिती झाली आणि नर्सने त्या दोघांनाही मिक्स केलं आणि त्या नर्सच्या लहरीपणामुळे म्हणूया किंवा दैवामुळे म्हणूया, दोघांचेही नावं बदलले गेले. This fatal likeness even dogged my footsteps when at school, and I was always getting flogged for John turned out full. Your new words are Fatal means leading to disaster, ghatak, and dogged means continued to follow, पाठलाग करणे, and flogged means beaten up, मार देणे. So, because of that similarity, the confusion continued to their school life also. The poet got always punished when John make mistakes, and the poet was in great trouble because of his brother. I put this question fruitlessly to everyone I knew. What would you do if you were me to prove that you were you? The poet was in great trouble. So the poet asked everyone one question, that what would they do if they were in the place of the poet? But no one tells him a solution. त्या दोघांच्या सारखेपणामुळं शाळेमध्येही जॉनने काही मिस्टेक्स केली तर पोएटलाच मार मिळायचा. पोएट प्रत्येकाला विचारायचा, तुम्ही माझ्या जागेवर असतं तर काय केलं असतं, परंतु कुणीही योग्य उत्तर देऊ शकत नव्हते. Our close resemblance turned the tide of my domestic life, for somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. Turn the tide means change the situation, परिस्थितीला कलाटणी देणे. डोमेस्टिक मीन्स फॅमिली, पर्सनल, कौटुंबिक जीवन. इंटेंडेड ब्राईड म्हणजे फिक्स्ड, ब्राईड नियोजित वधू. इन दिस पोएम द पोएट डिस्क्राइब्स ह्युमरस सीन. Because of their similarity, the poet's domestic life totally changed. Because the poet's fixed bride, a girl whom to be married, became his brother John's wife because of their similarity. Next line. In fact, year after year, the same absurd mistakes went on, and when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. And so we know that it's a humorous situation at the end of this poem. Year after year, the mistakes were continued in the twins' life. When the poet died, as usual, the neighbors came and buried his brother John. So, how humorous situation at that time. So it's very interesting poem, and we know that the poem is full of exaggeration. Exaggeration means atishayokti. The poem is too humorous, and I am sure you like this poem very much. Thank you from English Study with Sopan Hun.